In this video, I'll detail how to rearrange apps on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to rearrange all this application, whether you want to put the mail icon at the center, the settings icon at the top, message icon here, then the camera icon anywhere on the screen, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to grab your iPhone, and on your iPhone, locate and open the watch app. Now, one of the watch app, you want to click on App View, then make sure you select Grid. If you selected List View, you'll be able to rearrange the Apple Watch application. So make sure you click on Grid. And once you selected the Grid view, you can just drop your Apple Watch. Come down here and click on Arrangement. Then once selected Arrangement, you'll see all the application you have on your Apple Watch, just like this. So, however, to rearrange this application, all you just need to do is locate the application you want to move from its current location, like this, press and hold it, then drag it to wherever you want it to. So, then the way you are dragging it is going to be rearranging on the Apple Watch. You see that? So you can do this for all the application you have on your iWatch to rearrange based on your preference. But the only limitation here is that the Apple Watch view must be on the grid view. Otherwise, you'll not be able to rearrange the app. So that's how you can easily rearrange apps on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.